Hello all and welcome back to Diet and Nutrition for Health. Today in this video we are going to talk about what is inflammation and what foods are anti-inflammatory in this condition. So first of all, what is inflammation? Inflammation is actually a response of immune system that our body shows towards injury or infection designed to protect itself and start the healing process. Inflammation can be both good and bad. On the one hand, it helps your body defend itself from infection and injury. On the other hand, chronic inflammation can lead to disease. Stress, low activity levels, and foods that cause inflammation can make this risk even more significant. For this reason, eating foods that can help reduce inflammation is strongly advisable. So now, what are the top anti-inflammatory foods? Studies suggest that some foods can help decrease chronic inflammation. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and spices contain anti-inflammatory compounds and may help reduce inflammation. So we have a list of top anti-inflammatory foods to be discussed one by one. So at number one, we have berries. Berries are small fruits packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Dozens of varieties of berries exist there like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds have anti-inflammatory effects that may reduce your disease risk. Phytochemicals found in berries may help delay cancer development and progression. Berries, especially strawberries, have good effect in heart disease. At number 2 is fatty fish. Fatty fish are a great source of protein and the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids like eicosapentaenoic acid (EPA) and docosahexaenoic acid (DHA). Although all types of fish contain some omega-3 fatty acids, now the fatty fish which are among the best sources of omega-3 include salmon, sardines, herring, and mackerel. EPA and DHA help reduce inflammation, which may otherwise lead to health conditions that may include metabolic syndrome, heart disease, diabetes, and kidney disease. And number 3, we have broccoli. Broccoli is highly nutritious. It is a cruciferous vegetable along with cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, an antioxidant that decreases inflammation. At number 4, we have avocados. Avocados contain potassium, magnesium, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They also contain carotenoids and tocopherols, which are linked to a reduced risk of cancer and heart disease. In addition, one compound in avocados may reduce inflammation in newly forming skin cells. Now, at number 5, we have green tea. You have probably heard that green tea, such as matcha green tea, is one of the healthiest beverages. Research has found that drinking green tea is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, obesity, and some other conditions as well. Many of its benefits are due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, especially a substance called epigallocatechin 3-gallate (EGCG). This substance inhibits inflammation by reducing pro-inflammatory cytokine production and damage to the fatty acid in your cells. At number 6, we have peppers. Bell and chili peppers are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Bell peppers also provide the antioxidant quercetin, which may reduce inflammation associated with chronic diseases like diabetes. Chili peppers contain cyanic acid and ferulic acid, which may reduce inflammation and support. At number 7, we have mushrooms. While thousands of varieties of mushrooms exist worldwide, only a few are edible and grown commercially. These include truffles, portobello mushrooms, and shiitake mushrooms. Mushrooms are very low in calories and rich in selenium, copper, and all of the B vitamins. They also contain phenols and other antioxidants that provide anti-inflammatory protection. At number 8, we have grapes. Grapes contain anthocyanins which reduce inflammation. In addition, they may decrease the risk of several diseases including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and eye disorders. Grapes are also one of the best sources of resveratrol, another antioxidant compound with many health benefits. Studies show that resveratrol can protect the heart against inflammation. So at number 9 is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with a warm, earthy flavor often used in curries and other Indian dishes. It has received a lot of attention because it contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Turmeric reduces inflammation related to arthritis, diabetes, and other diseases. It may be hard to get enough curcumin from turmeric alone to experience a noticeable effect. Taking supplements containing isolated curcumin may be much more effective. Curcumin supplements often include piperine, which can boost curcumin absorption by 2000%. At number 10 is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can eat. It is rich in monounsaturated fats and it is a staple food in the Mediterranean diet, which provides numerous health benefits. Studies suggest that extra virgin olive oil may reduce the risk of heart disease, brain cancer, obesity, and other serious health conditions. Remember that extra virgin olive oil has greater anti-inflammatory benefits than refined olive oils. Now, at number 11 is dark chocolate and cocoa. Dark chocolate is delicious, rich, and satisfying. It is also packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. These may reduce your disease risk and lead to healthier aging. Flavonols are responsible for chocolate's anti-inflammatory effects and help keep the endothelial cells that line your arteries healthy. At number 12 is tomatoes. The tomato is a nutritional powerhouse. Tomatoes are high in vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene, which is an antioxidant with impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Lycopene may be particularly beneficial for reducing pro-inflammatory compounds related to several types of cancer. Cooking tomatoes in olive oil can help you absorb more of their lycopene content. That is because lycopene is a carotenoid, a nutrient better absorbed with a source of fat. At number 13 is cherries. Cherries are delicious and rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins and catechins, which decrease inflammation. Although the health promoting properties of tart cherries have been studied more than other varieties, sweet cherries may also provide benefits. However, eating tart cherries is better than drinking its juice. So this is all enough for today. I hope you guys liked the video. To watch more videos related to diet, nutrition and health, like and subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Bye.